1 year, 2 year later, they're nowhere to be found.
Yeah,
where
they dissolve.
when you look at a Missy Elliott, you look at a Diddy, all these names you named, you guys have 20-year careers,
Mary, yeah.
and ongoing.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
Missy, it's interesting because there's this duality now. Looking at your Super Bowl performance, which is amazing. Your longevity just sparkles like none other. And in contrast,
you.
you're very welcome. In contrast now with a quote that came from Young Thug, he was speaking at GQ, and he pretty much was saying that like your career is over after 30 as a rapper, and that he would not purchase a Jay-Z album only because Jay-Z is in his 40s and he's young. Talk about the ageism in hip hop. Is that something you've experienced?
Wow.
Affected you?
I haven't experienced that, and I thank God. I'm blessed. I think what me and Tim did was our music was so ahead of its time, and it's still ahead of its time, and it's not even coming from a cocky way or a conceited way. I listen and I tell Tim, like, what was you on? What were we on? Like, I go back from time to time and just listen to our old stuff, and those records, it was nothing like it, and musically, it's still nothing like it.
Yeah.
It can't be duplicated. I don't even know if we can duplicate that moment. We can most definitely give you something new, but that moment was that moment, and those records are timeless. And so, they can now, when you play them, it don't sound dated. And so I think that helped me as an artist. But we shouldn't, we most definitely, it shouldn't be a time limit. Those other musics and genres, they don't have that. It's like they be 80 years old selling out shows, and so I think talent is talent and it's timeless. So that's just my take on it. But
we're the only genre that put each other down because you're getting more mature, and everybody's gonna happen to Young Thug and everybody else. And if you still want to make music, you ain't gonna want to hear that. That's not. And plus, you're losing out on so much information that a person that Jay-Z can provide you, or Diddy, or even Timberland. By the way, Missy, I'm gonna be featured in Empire next week. Make sure you watch it.
Congratulations.
You know what I'm saying, girl. Go ahead, Heather.
Well, no, Missy already know this. I love you, sis. I consider you a friend, a sister, even a prayer partner, and I'm just so happy for you. And we actually just had to break news and just say, talking about Bobbi Kristina, when you spoke about prayer earlier, and your name has popped up in the headlines with her as well. We didn't even know you and her had a connection like that. How are you feeling? Because it's like you going through this high, just coming from off a Sunday, and then having to deal with this news with Bobbi Kristina.
What is, I think it's heavy on a lot of people.
Yeah.
And, this is someone who lost their mother, and, very close to her mother. And so that's like her backbone. And so, I've been in prayer.
Yeah.
Prayer, just, praying, and a lot of artists that I know that is, have a relationship with her and had a relationship with her mother. We've been in prayer. So, I just tell people to just keep praying and just, don't stop. Don't stop. I believe in the power of prayer.
Wow.
Yeah. Whitney Houston was like that as well, though. People don't realize that about Whitney. She believed in the power of prayer. Came from church.
Did. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. That is the truth. And so, like I said, we've been praying, and we're going to continue to pray. We won't stop.
Amen.
Okay. Missy, the Grammys are this weekend. Are you planning on attending?
No, I won't be there. I actually am going down to be with Tim. And so we're going to get in and get some work done.
Okay, so you and Tim are going in the studio this weekend.
Woo!
Oh.
Hell yeah.
Sway, Missy about to take your spot on Empire. That's all I know.
Tim doing the sound, the score for Empire, so I'm going to be in. So maybe I could come down to the studio. Y'all about to work on an album?
We got, I don't want to say too much, because I say in this day and time, boy, you say something, they will come back 2 weeks later like, where your album at?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, that's a good point.
I don't want to say too much, but yeah, y'all free to come down. Shoot, come on, the more the merrier.
Because, you know, Tim got that personal chef that's with him in the studio all the time that be cooking
really?
it up. What?
Yeah, man.
I ain't never been to that, though, Sway.
I've been to that. Tim had to kick me out. Sway, don't you got to work?
Yeah, man.
Missy.
And I want to shout out. Look, I'm like up at the awards and stuff.
Go ahead, do that speech, girl. Do that speech, girl.
I want to shout out, you know, everybody from VA, and because it's in the water down there. I mean, you know, Tim, he doing his thing for real. Most definitely did his thing. It came through with his swoop, everything, and Pusha. Trey Songz from down there, Chris Brown, Lex Luger, sorry. Who else? There's so many people. So I want to, you know, thank them.
Yeah.
VA all day. 2 up, 2 down.
There it is.
And, you know, I want to thank y'all because y'all have been so supportive of me. And I can't thank y'all enough. I'm humbly grateful. Y'all, you know, have had my back Sway. I've known you for years.
Yes.
Heather, I love you like a sister.
Love
like
you too, girl.
Like we family.
We ain't got to say it. I know. I love you too, girl.
All right.
And I thank you.